When you're setting up your first Google Ads campaign, it's very important to take the time to do it right. If you don't know what you're doing with Google Ads, and if you don't set your campaigns up the right way, you will spend a ton of money and have nothing to show for it. I would highly recommend that you get some training or find an online course before you start advertising on Google. If that's not an option, then here are 3 important things to be aware of before you get started with Google Ads. 1. Choose your keywords carefully. The keywords you choose for your campaign can make all the difference. Some people make the mistake of trying to use highly competitive keywords. These are the ones that everyone else in your industry is already using. These keywords usually get the most traffic, but they are also the most expensive. You need to find longer keyword phrases to bid on. These long-tail keywords typically have 3, 4, or even 5 words in them. They won't have the same high volume of searches each month, but they will cost you less per click, and they often bring you higher quality visitors. 2. Make your ads relevant. You should make sure that you write ads that are very relevant to your chosen keywords. Google wants to give its users a good experience, so you will get penalised if your ad is not relevant. You will get charged more per click, and your ad will not be shown as often. The same thing can happen if your ad doesn't get enough clicks. So make sure you write something which is going to grab people's attention. 3. Keep testing. It's very important to test your ads. Run several versions of each ad using different headlines, different descriptions, etc. Find which combinations work best. Only make one change at a time when you are testing, so you can pinpoint what has increased or decreased the ad's effectiveness. Setting up Google Ads is not as simple or straightforward as it might at first seem. So if you want to get it right first time and avoid wasting money, download our free guide to setting up a successful Google Ads campaign. The link is in the description down below.